In this video, the teacher present a learner-centered lesson and engage student in hands-on activity to apply their understanding.
Nakatulala, nakatingala, umiiyak, di lamang.
We learn about the learner-centered classroom. So this focus on your participation and responsibility. Today, we will learn about the room structures. It allows us to space for individual and group learning.
Third, so we can choose how we learn best.
Second is the classroom routines. So it helps us to stay organized.
Like raising hands and submitting work properly.
That's correct. So lastly, our topic is logical. So it help you to learn from your mistake instead of punishing. So each of you know, I want you to write your own ideas on how your classroom to be organized. Then share your answer with your groups and create one final idea together.
Sa ilalim ng mga ngiti, humigpit. Pangako sa hangin, handa nang bumitaw, ligaya'y hanapin kahit.
So let's combine our ideas. We can have both individual and group spaces.
And here is for everyone. Class, we are applying the concept of learner-centered classroom. Remember class that learning becomes meaningful when you are actively involved. I think that's all for today. Goodbye class.